In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change languages on iPhone keyboard. So let's get started. First open any app where you need to type using keyboard. Now on keyboard at the bottom left side, you will find globe icon. If you press this icon, then you will find that the language is getting changed. If you don't have such option to change the language, then first open settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Next, tap Keyboard. On the next page, again tap Keyboards. As you can see, I have Hindi and English language added. If you want to add any additional language, then tap Add New Keyboard. Now select the language of your choice and you are done. Now if you check the keyboard, you will find newly added language and you can start typing using that language. So that is how you can change languages on iPhone keyboard. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.